Vinyl siding in Baltimore, Maryland. Vinyl siding is one of the most popular exterior options for homes in Baltimore due to its energy efficiency, low maintenance, cost effectiveness, and durability. It also provides many options when it comes to style and color choices. It can last anywhere from 20 to 40 years, depending on the quality of installation and regular maintenance. The process of siding installations begins with assessing local building codes and regulations governing the installation procedure. Vinyl siding and fiber cement are the commonly used siding materials. Other types of building materials available such as hardboard panels and cedar shakes. Vinyl siding can help with energy efficiency by providing an extra layer of insulation to the exterior walls of a home. For a successful vinyl siding installation, hire a professional sider. Check installation quality. Install properly around windows. Use high-quality materials. A professional contractor or vinyl siding specialist ensures superior results for your home's vinyl siding installation and vinyl siding maintenance. Hiring a reputable vinyl siding company is beneficial for quality workmanship, cost savings, customer service. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.